Hi guys, good afternoon. Yan yung stroller ko guys na may timer. Yan yung gamit ko bawat exercise guys. Yan yung stroller. Yan guys yung black. Kasi ayaw kong lumaki yung tiyan ko guys. Gusto ko kung flexible pa rin yung katawan ko guys, mabilis pa rin tumakbo, physically fit, yun guys. Ayaw kong tumaba. Let's go guys, exercise number 29. Guys, bye bye.